Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am having the great literary book, The 32. It is the very first hour that I am holding this book and I have tasted a little bit. Now I am getting a few glimpses share with you what Mr. Etizaz Ehsan said about this book. The 32 is gem consisting of most objective accounts of 29 very significant persons of our time. 2 towns and a song. What Mr. Aslam Gurdaspuri said about it: Farrukh Sohail Goindi is a multifaceted personality, notably embodying the revolutionary persona of the Gorki's mother in our historical narrative. Mr. I.A. Rahman said about it: in this exquisite book, Mr. Farrukh Sohail Goindi offers insight into various political and literary figures from around the world. This is a great addition to the literature. And why it's a great addition? Because it's been written by a great intellectual writer. Why I call Mr. Farrukh Sohail Goindi a great intellectual writer? Because he always writes a very unique literature and very rare literature. He is a great traveler as well. And there are 3 types of traveler. One is a planner, other one is explorer, sometimes spontaneous traveler. But Mr. Farrukh Sohail Goindi is a person who has introduced a new side of traveling, a research-oriented traveling. And he is doing all these researches by traveling across the globe just to compile this kind of literature. So I'm honored and I'm very excited about it. And definitely I shall have just a few glimpses of this book which I have just shared with you. But later on, after the completion of this reading, I shall once again come back to you and will share the detailed review after the Eid. So this is our Eid gift from Mr. Farrukh Sohail Goindi, and not only for the literary people and the great readers of Pakistan, but across the globe. So thank you so much.